Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to TSB Bank Live Chat. This tutorial will walk you through the process of using the live chat service provided by TSB Bank. Firstly, to access the live chat service, you need to visit the TSB Bank website. Once you are on the website, look for the Help and Support section, where you will find the live chat option. To initiate a live chat, click on the live chat button and a chat window will open. You will be prompted to enter your name and a brief description of your query. This information will help the customer support agent to assist you better. Once you have entered the required information, click on the Start Chat button. You will be connected to a customer support agent who will assist you with your query. The agent will respond to your messages in real time, providing you with the necessary information and support. During the live chat, you can ask the agent any questions you have regarding your account, transactions, or any other banking-related queries. The agent will provide you with clear and concise information to help you resolve your issue. It is essential to have your account information and any relevant details ready before initiating the live chat. This will help the agent to assist you more efficiently and provide a quicker resolution to your query. Some best practices to keep in mind when using the live chat service include being clear and concise in your messages, providing all relevant information, and being patient and courteous with the agent. The live chat service is available during specific hours, so it is essential to check the TSB Bank website for the operating hours before initiating a chat. In conclusion, the TSB Bank Live Chat service is a convenient and efficient way to get help and support with your banking queries. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and keeping the best practices in mind, you can make the most out of the live chat service and resolve your issues quickly and easily.